Today we're going to change oil on our Honda Civic 2014. Okay, so first we need to remove this plug. We need 17 millimeters head to remove it. And drain oil from the engine. So we're draining the oil, and now we need to wait some time until the oil will drain all oil on the engine. Now we're removing oil filter. So be careful because it starts dripping the oil. So we put the pen under the filter and then carefully, don't lose it, carefully we are removing the filter and drain oil from the filter. Removing the filter, be careful, and then drain oil from the filter. Now we drain from both sides, from the filter, from the plug. We're going using TG Frame TG7317. So it's similar size. We need to fill the filter with oil, and just a little bit to make it full. Okay. Then drain. It's fine. And then put filter in its place. Then now we need to install the filter. Up. Okay, fine. Okay. Installing the plug back. Close the drain hole. Remove oil. 4 liters, initially 4 liters of the oil. So we have over here about 4, maybe 4.6, 4.7 liters over here. So we're gonna leave maybe about liter. Putting the plug back, check the oil level. So removing the stick, the oil stick, then we just wipe it off, then put it back, and then remove it back carefully. And then I have to see something, right? It's secretly difficult to see. Checking the oil level. So we see on the oil stick tip, it's about the half of this level. So it's fine right now. So now we're gonna start the engine. Start the engine and check no dripping underneath from the oil plug or oil filter. So no any leakage of the oil. So everything fine. So we finished to change an oil on our Honda Civic 2014. For watching, we finished changing oil on our Honda Civic 2014. Thank you for watching.